Welcome to the Gunsmith's workshop. Step inside a reconstructed 18th century Bulgarian craft environment, where the creation of a traditional firearm was not the work of one person, but the result of several highly skilled crafts coming together. In this guided VR experience, visitors are welcomed by the memory keeper, a 3D avatar who leads them through the workshop and explains how blacksmithing, woodworking, and metal ornamentation all played a role in creating the final object. For the museum, the challenge was not only to show tools and objects, but to explain a complex traditional craft process that normally depends on expert knowledge, demonstrations, and physical access to the museum space. Our role was to transform that knowledge into an immersive educational experience. We created 3D digital twins of selected museum objects and tools, reconstructed the traditional workshop environment, developed the guided VR experience, and brought the memory keeper avatar to life through character animation and storytelling. The experience also includes real craft video materials, helping connect the virtual reconstruction with a living knowledge of traditional craftsmen. The result is more than a VR workshop. It is a portable digital exhibition that the museum can present beyond its own walls, to visitors, students, cultural events, and international audiences. Through this project, a traditional Bulgarian craft becomes easier to understand, easier to remember, and easier to share with new generations. Because intangible cultural heritage is not only preserved by keeping objects safe, it is preserved when people can experience the knowledge behind them.